Hey, what's good, you guys? Today, I'm gonna take you on a journey of a lifetime because this is a day in a life of Aapka Bada Bhaiya. So let us get into this video where I deeply talk about me, Ranveer Alabadia, also known as Biceps, also known as the guy who doesn't fap and who believes in spirituality, bro.
I love myself, bro. I really love myself. I love myself that much that I suck my own dick, bro. Trust me, I love to do that. It's really important for me to do that because it helps me provide a lot of nutrients, minerals, and a lot of stuff, bro.
To be honest, bro, I don't have a fixed schedule, but I wake up around 10, sometimes 10:15 or 10:30, depending upon how much I want to sleep. My sleep cycle is completely fucked, bro, but I've sacrificed my sleep because I want to make content and add value to people's life. I just sleep 1 hour and work 23 hours a day, bro, and I slap myself because sometimes I just work for 22 hours.
It's too less for me. For a person like me who just likes to hustle so much, it's too less for me.
I obviously don't like to shower, but I'm the type of guy who'll say that if you don't shower, you're not gonna get any girl, bro. I shower with cold water because I believe I'll become more hot if I use the hot water. I come out of the shower and the first thing I do is eat a bowl of semen. It's really important for me. I believe in semen retention, so I eat it so it returns back to my body, bro. While I get ready and do all of those things, it's already 11:30 by then. Then I leave for the office, I sort out my plans.
I get to the office and the first thing I do is not work. The first thing I do is hug everyone, bro. I love to hug. My favorite brand is Huggies, bro. मैं मॉग एंटरटेनमेंट का मालिक, आप सबका बॉस, आपको तनख्वाह देने से पहले क्या पसंद करेगा देना? एक हग. You can just hug me, मुझे गले मिलो, नहीं तो तनख्वाह नहीं मिलेगी, bro. That's for sure. Bro, to be honest, all I need is a hug, bro. You can just, I just want you to hold me and hug me, bro. That's all I want. Just like hold me, grab my chest, whatever you want. Just hug me, bro. That's all I need. Also, you don't want to hug me? You know, it's fine, bro. You know, I can just fucking kick you out of this company. It's my company. And if you don't want to hug me, I mean, that's totally fine. I can just kick you out of this company, bro. Yeah, bro.
After hugging everyone for 3 straight hours, it's already 3. I then eat my food. I believe in having healthy food. I really believe in having healthy food, so I just have some healthy food, bro. And I don't believe in having junk food, bro. Then I start hyping everyone around me. I don't do much work, but I believe I'm like a leader. And leaders are the one who wanna make sure that everyone is your slave, bro. To be honest, bro, the people who work for me are the real heroes because they have to look at me all the time. They have to listen to my shit. And that's a huge thing, bro. Not everyone can do it. It's hard. It's fucking hard. When will my dick get hard, bro?
I don't like taking credits for what people have done. I won't ever take credits for what they have done. But I just tell them कि तुम अपनी औकात में रहो because this is my company. Monk Entertainment is my company. You need to hug me. You need to listen to me. If you don't listen to me, I can just kick you out.
So as you know, Spotify featured us and they also say that we are number 1. We are the most smartest thing in the world, the smartest podcast ever. And I have this podcast with a lot of people. So the timings for the podcast are not fixed. But
I love doing podcast. I love listening to my podcast. आपका बड़ा भैया जो है उसे पॉडकास्ट जो है वो सुनने बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. वो पॉडकास्ट पहले बनाता है फिर खुद के ही पॉडकास्ट सुनता है बिकॉज ही इज सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड, ब्रो. ही इज सो ऑब्सेस्ड विद हिमसेल्फ दैट ही विल जस्ट कीप ऑन लिसनिंग टू व्हाटएवर ही स्पीक्स एंड दैट्स द ओनली टाइम आई शट अप is when I listen to myself, bro.
The type of work I do, I meet a lot of people, bro. I meet all these new Gen Z creators. They listen to me. I give all my gyan. They think I'm their father, and I feel good. I'm father to many, father to millions. Not daddy, but father. So it's already 7 till now. So I'll just hit the gym, work out a little. While doing it, I get too many motivational quotes. I write them down and make a video after that. I also dance. I love to, be naked all the time.
You must be thinking that I'm chilling all the time, bro. But no, it's part of my work. I have to chill and I have to talk to people because that's work related always, bro.
I have to do this, bro, because I want to be relevant enough. And to be relevant, I started doing vlogs too, bro. The vlogs though, I only edit. I don't let anyone touch my vlogs because it's like no fap. No matter whatever comes in front of me, I won't let my hand go down there, bro. I believe in resisting, bro. Also, I believe in spirituality too.
Fapping has nothing to do with spirituality, bro. But वो पूरा दिन मैंने नाम नहीं लिया था तो मैंने सोचा अभी स्पिरिचुअलिटी का नाम ले लूँ. इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट ब्रो टू टेक द नेम ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी, मेडिटेशन, वर्ड्स लाइक दिस, बिकॉज if I don't do it, it doesn't make me feel good. You get me, bro?
Then I just come home and chill. I feel like giving out whatever I have, so I would go to every platform, every fucking platform, and tell them a lot of things. I don't like to shut up, bro. I like to talk. I love to talk. I love when people hear me.
I don't tell this, but I'm very lonely. I'm damn lonely. It's not funny. It's sad, bro. It's sad.
It's already 2 a.m. now. I've had a talk with every person on this planet. I want to talk more, but nobody's bothered to text me. So I just take my phone and I just put 10 to 12 stories on Instagram and give out whatever I have. Whatever the energy I have, I just give it out. I want to keep everything inside me, except my semen. I want to give out every fucking thing.
Take all my money, take everything, whatever I have, take my house, my car, and whatever. Take Virat's shit. I don't care, bro. The only thing I care is about hugging and cuddling and just someone who will just listen to my thoughts, bro. And that's my day, bro. And bro, I guess that's the day of Ranveer. And if you like this video, you can just leave a like, you can comment, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. It's really important that you subscribe to my channel. And Ranveer bhaiya, I love you and I'm so sorry for this. And next target किसको रखें, कमेंट में बता दो.